Hello everyone. So there was a question on the community today about label. Now labels are great in Jira, and you can of course use labels to categorize your issues. You can use these labels to simply tag something like some keywords to your issues, and it is actually a very useful feature in Jira. I quite like using labels, but at the same time, labels are not really a nice way to control things if you want people to follow something like consistently, because anyone can add a label, anyone can remove a label. But using automation rules, you can actually do a few things to maybe get notifications. So the requirement is that, let us say you have some issue where you have some labels and you want to get some notification from Jira that this specific label was removed. Now, I thought I'll probably show you. So this is one issue, right? Now, if you look at this issue, I have a couple of labels here. In fact, 3 labels: admin, backend, and blitz underscore test, whatever. Now, let us say you want to remove the backend label, but I mean, people can remove this label, but they want to get notified. Now, if I remove, let us say admin, let us see. And by the way, before I show you this, let me, of course, show you the rule. Now, the rule can be triggered using this field value changed, and fields to monitor for changes, labels, change type, value deleted. So this rule will not really do anything if the label is added, only for labels removal. And you can do it for any operation, right? So this will of course help you to get notifications from Jira. Now you can then add a condition here that if after you, let us say, remove the label, the issue will have, of course, new set of labels, because label is nothing but a list. It's like a multi-value field. Now you can check here that if the labels contain none of the keyword or none of the label called backend, then do something. And that doing something could be just adding some kind of maybe a comment. You can also, it is also possible to retrieve all the labels that you have using this smart value, like to iterate smart value. And let me just save this and publish it, and I will monitor the log, and I will then go back to the issue. And let us first remove admin, and let us look at the log here. So no actions performed, that is what we are expecting. But if you remove something like backend, and if I go back to the rule, I can monitor the log, and it says success, and it is of course it has done something. So let us go back to the issue, and if you look at the comment here, of course, comment has been added along with the actual label. Right now we just have one label, and it is now listed here because I want the list to be comma separated. So you can do things using you can do simple things using automation rules, and of course, it is not like data center where you have the option to write your own script. Of course, you have script runner, but script runner is also limited by REST API, and Jira automation is fine. I'm trying to, I've been using, I've used cloud from its early days, but now Jira Cloud is I believe going to be the focus of Atlassian, which we already know. So we have to, get used to it. I of course spend most of my time. I do most of my consultation on, or majority of my consultation on Jira Data Center, because I do like write scripts. But Jira Cloud is also, all right. It is of course sometimes a bit frustrating to do things on Jira Cloud, especially the limitations. But hopefully things are going to change. But in this video, of course, I just wanted to show you this specific use case. And of course, if you are new to my channel, you can always go to my website, ravisagar.in. I have lots of videos on Jira automation and also Jira REST API. So that is it. That is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new. Thank you very much. Bye bye.